how to change wallpaper into plain color on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Wallpaper. Here in Wallpaper, as you can see, the wallpaper is set into Ventura graphic. So okay, here in Dynamic Wallpaper. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper into plain color. And okay guys, you'll have to do is, okay, below you can see the color here. And okay, you can select from this option. So you can show more color by clicking the show all button on this right side of this color, and you can see the more option. And also you can show more color or select color by clicking the plus sign here on color section, and you can see the color wallpaper system settings. Okay, you can put the arrow to the color you want. Okay, here, so for example the pink. And okay, you can set this color, but in this tutorial I set into red orange color. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the wallpaper into plain color on MacBook Air.